minds if at home and not troubling your parents. Yes. So in the last class I have given you some work. I hope you have done it. What was our work now? From exercise 3.5 I have given you some problems for you. I hope you have done. So before moving ahead, I request everyone to please open your classwork, term book and pencil. So in the last session we have already completed 4 till 7th one. Yes, I hope you got your answers. So let us move with our next topic, that is properties of subtraction. So in this properties of subtraction is same as we have addition. Properties of addition. What we have done whenever we add 1 to any number, it will be increased by 1. If we add 10 to any number, it will be the digit at 10's place will be increased by 10. So the same follows over here in subtraction. So whenever if you subtract 1 from any number, the number will be decreased by 1. So suppose I have taken 70. So 70 minus 1, we will get as 69. Okay? Yes? So this number has been decreased by 1. So if I take 170 minus 10, we just see. Now what do you have friends? 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 1 becomes 6 and 1. So the digit at 10's place has been decreased by 1. This is 10's place, right? The initial question is having 7, but when we have subtracted 10 we got as 6. So the digit at 10's place has been decreased by 1. So similarly when we subtract 1 from 100, yes, subtracting, yes, see here, if you subtract 100 from any number, the digit at 100's place will be decreased by 1. If we subtract 1000 from any number, the digit at 1000's place will be decreased by 1. So let's have a small recap over here. Open page number 127. Properties of subtraction. So the order of numbers in subtraction cannot be changed. So in addition, we have also done 2 plus 3 is 5 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Though we have changed the order, both are adds. We have changed the order, but the result we got as same. But in subtraction, this case cannot be followed. We cannot do like 8 minus 10. Can we subtract a bigger number from smaller number? Can we change the order? It's 10 minus 8. That is 2. Okay, so we cannot change the order. See, for example, they have given a small example over here. 25,756 minus 756 is not same as 756 minus 25,756. As we have seen here, the order we can do 10 minus 8, but we cannot subtract 10 from 8. That is 8 minus 10. We cannot change the order over here. Okay, so subtracting 0 from itself. 0 minus 0 is 0. Like 1 minus 1 is 0. Subtracting the same number from the number will get as 0. Like 10 minus 10 is 0. Okay. So subtracting 0 from any number. If we subtract any number from 0, we already know that we will get the same answer. Like 8 minus 0 will get as 8. Or 96 minus 0 is 96. Next, let us see. Subtracting 1 from a number. When we subtract 1 from any number, the digit at 1's place will be decreased by 1. Okay. Next, subtracting 10 from a number. When we subtract 1 from a number, the digit at 10's place is decreased by 1. Similarly for 100 and for 1000, the digit at 100's place will be decreased by 1 and the digit at 1000's place will be decreased by 1. These are some properties of subtraction as same as of addition. Let us see here finding the missing number. So in the last class, we have already seen how to find subtract. Yes? I have given you the same question as your homework. I hope you have done. What was the question? They have given minuend, they have given difference, and they asked us to find subtrahend, the variable here. So how we have found? We have subtracted. To find subtrahend, the formula is minuend minus difference. We get the answer as subtrahend. This is what our answer. Right? This is what the formula. To find subtrahend, we will do minuend minus difference. We will get the subtrahend. The same way, if I have given you subtrahend and difference, I asked you to find minuend. Now, how do you find minuend? Simply you add difference and subtrahend. So, what is that? Difference plus subtrahend, you will get the answer minute. Okay. To find subtrahend, we need to subtract minuend minus difference. To find minuend, we need to add difference and subtrahend. These are the two formulas which we are going to use, and to find the relationship and to compare also. Okay, how to verify, check our answer. Okay, so to find subtrahend, we should subtract minuend minus difference. To find minuend, we need to add difference and subtrahend. Okay. See here in page number 128, they have given example number 10 and example 11. So the first example number 10 is based on minuend. That is this. They have used this formula to find minuend. What is that? They have added subtrahend and difference. They got as minuend. In the example 11, they have asked us to find subtrahend. So how can we find? We can subtract minuend minus difference. If we do minuend minus difference, we will get the answer. That is our subtrahend. Okay. So both example 10 and example 11 are based on this. I hope you will once check it. Let us move to exercise 3.6. The first and second bit we can do in our term book itself. So please open your term book, page number 128, and be ready with your pencil. Okay. Yes. Exercise 3.8, page number 128. Sorry, exercise 3.6, page number 128. So the first bit. Okay, first one. Let's see what is the question over here. 47,690 minus 1. So the first question is 47,690 minus 1. We already came to know whenever we subtract 1 from any number, the number will be decreased by 1. Yes. So let us subtract. Now we cannot subtract 1 from 0, right? Now we need to carry forward. Now this becomes 8 and this is 10. So 10 minus 1 we will get as 9 and this is 8. As there are no other numbers, the number will be the same, that is 6, 7 and 4. So what is this? 47,689. So initially it was 690. When we have subtracted 1, the number at 1's place has been decreased by 1. The number has been decreased by 1. So what is the answer? First answer is, you can write down on your term book, 47,689. Let's move with the next. See next one, 68,790. 68,790 we need to subtract 10. So what is the rule? If you subtract 10 from any number, the digit at 10's place will be decreased by 1. So if you see 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. Again there are no other numbers over here. So if you consider 0, we will get the same number. So this is 7, 8, 6. So what is the answer? 68,780. So whenever we have subtracted 10 from any number, the digit at 10's place will be decreased by 1. See here it is 9 and here it is 8. Okay. So what is the answer? 68,780. Next one. Next, C. 47,500 minus 100. 47,500 minus 100. So what happens when we subtract 100 from any number, the digit at 100's place will be decreased by 1. So if you see 0 minus 0, 0, 0. Now 5 minus 1 is 4. Again the number will repeat, that is 47,400. So the digit at 100's place has been decreased by 1. Here it is 5 and whereas here it is 4. So what is the answer? 47,400. Okay. Next, similarly, when we subtract 1000 from the given number, the digit at 1000's place will be decreased by 1. At 1000's place. See what is the question here? 12,987. 987 minus 1000. Yes. So 7 minus 0, if you subtract 0 from any number, we will get the same number. So 7 minus 0, 7, 8, 9 minus 0 is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1, and here is 1. So it is 11,987. 11,987. Okay. So the next E, F, see F1 is what? The same number has been subtracted from itself, like 10 minus 10. So what we will get? 0. Okay. Next G, H, I, J. Okay, you can try out this E, F, G, H, I, J. Let's move with the K. Here they asked us to find subtrahend. So how do we find subtrahend? To find subtrahend, we need to subtract minuend minus difference, right? Let us go with K. See what is the question over here. 43,673 is our minuend. 43,673 minus, and here they have given the difference as 25,450. Okay, this is our minuend, whereas this is our difference. We need to find subtrahend. What is our property, or what is our rule? To find subtrahend, we need to subtract minuend minus difference. Let us find out. 3 minus 2, 1. 5, 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. We cannot subtract 5 from 3. Now if we borrow, now this becomes 3 and this is 13. So 13 minus 5 will get us 8. Next 3 minus 2 is 1. If we put a comma, it is 18,221. 18,221. This is what our subtrahend. Next let us move it. L. See what is L here? Now they asked, what they asked? Yes, minuend. To find minuend, we need to add subtrahend and difference. Let us see what is subtrahend here. It is 18,221. We need to add the difference, that is 43,673. 43,673. Let us add. Now 3 plus 1 is 4. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 1 will be carried. Carry forward. Next, 4, 5, 6. So if you put a comma, it is 61,894. That is our minuend. Okay. So we have added based on this. Next, M and N is also there. You can complete that bit. And second bit also you can easily find out. They asked to find subtrahend. What is how to find subtrahend? To find subtrahend, will subtract minuend minus difference. Will get as subtrahend. Okay. Just simply you subtract minuend and difference. Then you will get whatever answer you get. That is what our subtrahend. I hope you complete that bit. Let us move with the next third bit. Yes. See third one, what should be subtracted from 7,59,593 to get a difference of 23,943? What should be subtracted from the answer? The first number, that is 7,59,000, that is our minuend. The same way, just how we have found it subtrahend, like 196. 96. Okay. So they asked what number should be subtracted from 196 to get the difference 96. So how we have found? We have simply subtracted 196 minus 96. So this is 0, 0, this is 1. So 100. So what is our value? 100 should be subtracted from 196 to get the answer as 96. So same way we will apply over here the value that is 7,59,593 is our minuend and the answer which they have given, that is our difference. Okay. So what you are going to do, you are going to subtract minuend minus difference, then you will get the answer, that is what our subtrahend. Okay. I hope you will do that. Yes, let us move with the last one. When we subtract 35,495 from a number, we get a difference of 67,435. Find the number. Yes. So, when we subtract, when we subtract when we subtract 20 from a number, we get a difference of 140. So what is that number? See, this is not minuend, right? When we subtract 20 from any number, the result is 148. Find the number. That number what we need to find is minuend. What is the rule of to find minuend? That is simply if you add these two numbers, that is difference and subtract, you will get minuend. That is 140 plus 20. So 140 plus 20, this is 0. 4 plus 2 is 6. This is 1. So what is the minuend over here? 160. If you subtract 20 from 160, you will get the answer as 140, right? So what is the rule now you will apply? You are going to add up both this difference and subtrahend. Okay? Simply you just add both the given values, that is 35,495 with 67,435. Whatever the answer you get, that is your minuend. Okay? Let's see. Let us do it. Copy down that last question in your classwork. Now we know that is subtrahend is what? Subtrahend is equals to 35,495. Okay, and the last answer we got as difference. So what is the value they have given for difference? That is 67,435. We need to find minuend. Simply apply your formula. That is, to find minuend, you need to add both the values. That is your subtrahend and plus difference. Okay. Now what is the value of a subtrahend? That is 35,000. Let us write in column wise. So 35,000. You can see there are 5. It's a 5-digit number. Both are having the highest place as 10,000. So 35,495 plus 67,435. Now let us add these two numbers. That is 5 plus 5 will get as 10. So 1 will be carried, 0 down. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Next. 7 plus 5 will get as 12. So 1 will be carried, 2 will write down. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So now if you put a comma, that is 1,02,930 is our minuend. Okay? Minuend is 1,02,930. With this we have done with our exercise number 3.6. I hope whatever the work I have given, you will complete it. Yes. So what is your work? You need to complete exercise 3.6. First bit. Second bit you are going to complete it. And this is the second one. That is your third question. Okay? This is what your today's homework. I hope you will do it. So we will meet in the next class. Till then, take care. Thank you. Thank you.